bianca, calzoni neri, è partito proprio adesso l'incontro ed è gol! Ed è gol! Ed è gol! Subito all'inizio!
With the deftest of touch.
Boniface. Oh, what a goal! What a goal! The strangest of assists from Victor Boniface. Pushing up top.
Suarez. Oh, he's gone all the way through. He went past them as if they were.
It's a move perhaps Napoli have made too late.
Couldn't agree with you more. Milikon, sorry.
Well. 2-2. What an introduction.
This is suddenly end-to-end, isn't it? Kluivert for Bournemouth. Kluivert! Another astonishing not there. After Pep Guardiola's reign ended. They're back on track and Luis Suarez finishes the job once and for all. Surely now.
Zoe.
Sangari with a hit!
Lovely stuff from Leonard Carl, who's surging away. Oh! Absolutely incredible! The 17-year-old on his top.
To Bale. Now Ramsey. Robson Kanu. He's got Taylor. Robson Kanu! Incredible!
Diaz. Oh! That just flew in!
Away we go at the Decathlon Arena. Lille versus Paris Saint-Germain. And Paris Saint-Germain with a huge start. It's incredible! Paris Saint-Germain have scored and make it 8 seconds.
Space here for Ozan! Magnificent! From Can Uzun. Oh, what a goal! What a goal! An absolute blast from Jamie Leveling.
Una mano Toni Kroos, quiere encarar el brasileño, le da finalmente la pelota a Kroos, el golpeo. ¡Oh! Sutileza, delicatessen, caviar.
It's a brilliant one. What a strike from Tony Horvath!
Tromsø er og våger muligheten. Tromsø fikk til å ta gull, og dette kan være årets skåring! Henting fra midtbanen! Låner Samuelsen! Dreper kampen i Skien!
There's an opportunity here.
Kane, what has he just done? Incredible! What a goal to win it! Szczęsny's caught out! Harry